Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the dual connection in your Samsung Buds3 FE. So here we are in the application. It's called the Galaxy Wearable, and here in this application we just have to scroll down till we see the earbud controls. Pardon me, earbud settings. It's almost the same. Here we just have to tap seamless earbud connection. If it's turned on, we can use it. Switch quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting your earbuds or turning on pairing mode. This works with any nearby device that's signed into your Samsung account, even if it never paired with your earbuds before, and also with other devices if they have paired with your earbuds previously. In some rare cases, this may allow unknown devices to connect to your earbuds and control them. Just have it enabled, and where you log into your Samsung account, it will be done. And also you can connect to some foreign devices. But yes, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.